Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this no oven, no yeast pizza just under 15 minutes but using basic ingredients. To make the pizza base, we're gonna use all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, salt, and yogurt. So mix it well and knead the dough. If needed, you can also add water. For toppings, you can use whatever veggies you have in your refrigerator. Here I'm using bell pepper, cheese, onion, olives or black olives, basil, and chilies. Cut the dough into two halves. One half I made medium pizza, the other half I made two small personalized pizza for my kids. I've added all the toppings and also cheese, and I did sprinkle a little bit of red chili flakes. Now take out the pizza from the pan. You can use pizza cutter to cut it into small slices. I made two personalized pizzas for my kids, and the toppings are of their own choice.